The impact of coffee on diabetes, exploring the pros and cons. Welcome to today's video. In this video, we'll be exploring the impact of coffee on diabetes. As we all know, coffee is one of the world's most popular beverages, consumed by millions of people every day. But what most people don't know is that coffee can have both positive and negative effects on diabetes. Understanding diabetes. First, let's start by understanding what diabetes is. Diabetes is a chronic condition that affects the way the body processes glucose, the main source of energy for the body. There are two types of diabetes, type 1 and type 2. In type 1 diabetes, the body doesn't produce enough insulin, while in type 2 diabetes, the body becomes resistant to insulin. The impact of coffee on blood sugar levels. Now, let's dive into the impact of coffee on diabetes. One of the main concerns for people with diabetes is maintaining stable blood sugar levels. This is where coffee comes in. Coffee contains caffeine, which is known to increase insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. This means that for people with type 2 diabetes, coffee can help improve blood sugar control. Pros of drinking coffee for diabetes. Research has shown that coffee contains antioxidants that help prevent damage to cells, reduce inflammation, and lower the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Cons of drinking coffee for diabetes. Coffee is not without its drawbacks. Although coffee can help lower blood sugar levels, it can also cause spikes in blood sugar levels, especially if it's consumed in large amounts or with added sugar. How to enjoy coffee while managing diabetes. The key is to choose your coffee wisely and drink it in moderation. Opt for black coffee or add a small amount of milk or sugar-free creamer if needed. Limit your caffeine intake to no more than 200 milligrams per day, which is about 2 8-ounce cups of coffee. And always monitor your blood sugar levels before and after consuming coffee. In conclusion, coffee can have both positive and negative effects on diabetes, and it's important to be aware of these effects and take steps to enjoy coffee while managing diabetes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now to watch more videos.